So in this video, you learn how to add another fingerprint to your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you prefer having multiple fingerprints so that you have different ways you can unlock your device, then what you're going to do in order for you to register them is to just navigate to settings. Once you're in settings, you're then going to scroll and select the option lock screen and AOD. Then you're going to choose screen lock and biometrics. From here, enter in your current PIN, password or pattern, and then tap on the option labeled fingerprints. So currently I have one fingerprint added. So in order for me to add another one, I'm just going to tap on add fingerprint, then tap on register and go through the process of adding another fingerprint onto my phone. Again, this is the same process that you used whenever you added the first fingerprint onto your Galaxy Z Fold 7. So just go ahead and follow through with the process. And then once it's been added, you can choose to tap on add so that you can continue adding fingerprints, or you can just tap on done to finish up there. You will then be prompted to test that your fingerprint works, so just go ahead and place the fingerprint. Then once it's been confirmed, you can tap on done to finish up the process. So now you have different fingerprints that you can use to unlock your Z Fold 7. You have the first fingerprint. So whenever you place your finger on the sensor, you can just unlock using that first fingerprint. Or you can choose to use the second fingerprint to unlock your Z Fold 7. And so that's how you can add another fingerprint to your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.